Hello there and welcome back. In this video series we are going to get started with Apache Airflow. So Apache Airflow is basically an automation framework, and basically we can programmatically author, schedule and monitor different workflows. And what we are going to do is to set it up on a Fedora 32 machine, and throughout the videos you will learn how you can use it. So let's make this a little bit bigger with font. Make it 18 and the color should be green on black because we are hackers all the way. So let's get right into it. So in order to install it, we have plenty of options, but since Apache Airflow is written in Python, we are going to use pip to install it. So pip install -- user, and what we have to do is you will see it in the description of the video. Basically we are going to start the package and set up a constraint to install it, and once the instance is installed, we should be able to start it and create our users. So yeah, Airflow it's a little bit tricky to create user, but we will get to it. So as you can see, it is going to download a bunch of packages which are necessary for Airflow, and once the download is complete, we should be able to create our user and start our web server. Now we are using SQL Alchemy, Flask login, cryptography modules, PyJWT. There are lots of modules which make up this package, but it should be done in any minute now. And then all that is left is to install and configure. Yep. PyTZ data. This is the time zone information part. Alright. So Airflow has a pretty decent documentation, which is going to allow you to basically do whatever you feel like. It has all the nifty tutorials, how-to guides and whatnot. So how-to guides, yeah, let's see the Python operator, and we can execute Python callibus. So now the installation is complete, and what we would like to do is to issue the Airflow web server command. And yes, we would like to skip it, and what we will do is to visit this URL. But right before that, what we have to do, come on, is to issue the following command. So Airflow users create username admin, first name Daniel, last name Sabo, and the role should be admin, and the email should be whatever we feel like using as an email. It will give me a password prompt to confirm my password, And once I have retyped it, we can see that the user was successfully created, and we can use the Airflow web server to kick off the web server. As you can see, it is using gUnicorn with 4 threads. So now we should be able to visit. Yeah, it just takes some time. So I'm going to use the admin with my password, and we can save it. So this is basically the UI of the Airflow, and we are on the home page right now. We can check the DAG menus. We are going to talk about in future videos as to what these all mean. We also have the option to list users, roles, specific statistics, but there are not too many. And we can also check out different aspects of the Airflow. And we also have a pretty decent documentation. So this is how you can prepare your machine for what's coming next. But that was all for now in this video. See you in the next one.